Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the image and working non-destructively. That protects the original. Once done, zoom to 100% and choose a healing or clone tool that matches the writing scale. You should sample clean areas close to the text so the fill matches grain, tone, and lighting. Make short, overlapping strokes rather than long swipes and adjust brush hardness to blend edges. If the writing is on a patterned background, sample multiple spots. This reduces repeating artifacts and preserves texture. Now you tackle tricky letters and edges by switching between content-aware fill and manual cloning. Start with a content-aware pass to remove bulk ink, then refine with a clone or patch tool to restore repeating patterns. Make sure to sample from multiple directions so you don't repeat identical patches. Use a soft-edged brush and work on a separate layer, then add a mask to paint visibility back where needed. Once the area looks coherent, slightly adjust layer opacity to match surrounding tones. Finish by adding a tiny amount of noise or film grain to the repaired area so it reads like the rest of the photo. You should inspect at various zoom levels and on another monitor or phone to catch inconsistencies. Once done, flatten a copy and compare with the original to ensure no visual repeats. If you see haloing or clone stamps, undo those steps and redo the smallest problematic sections. Working incrementally prevents large artifacts and keeps results natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.